is a very important topic. We are going to see about digits and numbers. So don't skip the video. Let's go to the video. Friends, first we are going to learn about digits. These are the digits from 0 to 9. Each digit is an individual digit. I'll say once again. From 0 to 9, each digit is an individual digit. Okay? Now, the number is formed with the help of digits. Also, once again, the number is formed with the help of digits. Okay? Simply, we can say the number is a combination of digits. I will say once again, the number is a combination of digits. Friends, if you want to understand very clearly, we will take alphabets. Here's an example. We will take alphabets. Using letters, you can form words. That's the same concept. Using digits, you can make a number. Words are combination of letters. Likewise, number is a combination of digits. Are you clear? Friends, now let us see about numbers. Why do we use numbers generally? Think. Yes, we use numbers for counting and measuring things. Let us see each number in detail. In the first row, I have one magnet. So that is one individual magnet. So I have written that is 1, 1. Okay, now in the second row, I have two magnets. That is two individual magnets. So I have written 2. We have to write that is ones. This is one individual magnet. This is one individual magnet. So that is two individual magnets. So we will call it as 2 ones. Okay, friends? Now, in the third row, we have 3 magnets, 3 individual magnets. Okay? Now we have 3 individual magnets in the third row. This is one individual magnet, this is one individual magnet, this is one individual magnet. So there are 3 individual magnets. So we will call it as 3 ones. We have to write the ones. Similarly, for 4 magnets, we will call it as 4 ones, 5 magnets, 5 ones, 6 magnets, 6 ones, 7 magnets, 7 ones, 8 magnets, 8 ones, and at last 9 magnets, 9 ones. Here comes the important point. What comes after 9? Yes, it's 10. Here we have 10 individual magnets. We will call it as 10 ones. To make the calculations and calculations easier, we will call it as 110. Ten ones is equal to 10 ones is equal to 110. 110. Remember it carefully, friends. We will call 10 ones as 110. I will repeat once again. We will call 10 ones as 110. Here we have 11 individual magnets. So that is 11 ones. That we will call it as 10 ones plus 1 1. What is the concept now? 10 ones is actually 110 plus 1 1. So the answer is 11 ones. For 12, we split it as 110 plus 2 ones. For 13, 110 plus 3 ones. For 14, 110 plus 4 ones. For 15, 110 plus 5 ones. For 16, 110 plus 6 ones. For 17, 110 plus 7 ones. For 18, 110 plus 8 ones. For 19, 110 plus 9 ones. What comes after 19? Yes, it's 20. We have 20 magnets here. So that is 20 ones. We have to group the tens. This is 10 magnets and this is 10 magnets. Friends, here we have 10 magnets. So that is 10 ones. Plus another 10 magnets we have, that is 10 ones. So 10 ones means what? That is 110. 110 plus 110 is equal to 210. Now finally we have 20 ones is equal to 210. You understand it, friends? Friends, similarly for 30 that are 3 individual tens. So that is 3 tens. For 40, 4 tens. 50, 5 tens. 60, 6 tens. 70, 7 tens. 80, 8 tens. 90, 9 tens. For this method you have 0 ones. Okay? From this 10, 20, 30 up to 90 we have no ones. That is 0 ones. This is an important point. Remember carefully, friends. Friends, take any number from 1 to 99 and find tens and ones of the number. Okay? Our next video is about place value. You want to thoroughly learn about digit and number for learning the place value. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. We will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.